I will do one problem. I will do part A, and part B and C are really similar. So I'm going to call this, so the y is 2. This is 2, and this is x. So what is given to us now? So let's write down the given. Given that the speed of the plane, so that's going to be dx over dt. This is given. So you're going toward the west. So since you're going toward the west, this is going to be negative. So negative 600. And then we're giving the angle. So we're going to find d theta over dt in this case. So then just compute tangent theta. So tangent theta equals 2 over x. And x is a function of t. So x is changing, theta is changing. So now by computing derivative of both sides, derivative of tangent, so I'm going to use the chain rule here. That will be secant squared theta times derivative of theta, which is d theta over dt, equals derivative of this guy is negative 2 over x squared times the derivative of x, which is dx over theta. So this is like this, 2 times x to the negative 1. So I just use the chain rule here, bring the negative 1 here, and then compute the derivative of inside. Now we're just going to plug in. So I have this triangle. See, I have this triangle where this is 45 degree. This is also 45 degrees. So this is 2, this is 2, and this will be 2 root 2, right? Special triangle. Now the secant, so a reciprocal of cosine, right? And cosine will be, cosine 45 will be 1 over square root of 2. So the secant will be reciprocal of that root 2. So then we'll just do root 2 squared times d theta over dt equal negative 2 over, and x is 2, right? X was this value here. So that's 2 squared times negative 600. That's dx over dt. Okay, so now we're just going to compute this. So this is 2 times d theta over dt equal, and this is negative 2, so that's positive. And this will be a half. So this will actually be 2 over 4 times 600. And that's really just 300 here, right? 300 here. 300 right here. So then we'll just divide now. So then d theta over dt will be 300 divided by 2. So that's 300 divided by 2, which is 150, right? So this guy is 150. Okay, so then you will just need to you just need to convert this to radian per hour, right? So this is 150. So that will be this, right? D theta over dt will be that, right? And then you will just do the same thing for part B and C, which angle is changing only. Everything else is really just the same. So everything I did here is really the same. So now instead of 45, you will be using 75 for part B and C.